Hi guys, if you want to insert a vertical line in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So first of all, open the Google Docs and now from the top menu, click on the insert option and then click on drawing and then select new. And now on the drawing menu, you will see the line option here. Simply click on it and then click anywhere on the drawing panel. Any line will be drawn, you can see. To make it vertical, simply click on it and from its corner, drag it and make it vertical. Now here you can see you have a straight vertical line. If you want to change the thickness of this vertical line, then simply click on it and then click on line weight option here. And from here, select any line thickness you want. Let's say I want to select 8 pixels, so I will simply select it. And now you can see the vertical line is thicker now. If you want to change the color of the line, simply click on this line color option here and select any color you want. Let's say I want to select this color, purple, so I'll simply select it and the line color will be changed. Similarly, if you want to change the line type, for that simply click on this option here and from here you can select what type of line you want. Either you want a solid line, dotted line or dash line. You can select anything from here. You can see. I want a solid line, so I will select the solid option. Here it is. And now here you can see I have a nice thick vertical line. You can see. If you want to increase the height of the line, simply click here and drag it from here. And the vertical line height will be increased. You can see. And to increase or decrease the thickness of the line, simply click on this line weight option here. And from here, select any line thickness you want. You can see. Whatever thickness you want, you can select it from here. And once you have done all the customization, simply click on the save and close option here. And the vertical line will be added to your Google Docs page. You can see. And now to move and place your vertical line anywhere you want on your page, simply click on it. And now here you will be able to see these options. From here, select this option in front of text. And now you can move and place this line anywhere you want. You can see. Here is your vertical line. To move and place anywhere you want, simply click on it and drag it and drop it anywhere you want. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily insert a vertical line in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.